Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Dhananjay Munde submitted his resignation on Tuesday morning. The resignation came at the backdrop of the photographs of murdered Sarpanch Santosh Deshmukh from Beed district surfaced online. The photos were so brutal that they became viral, and after which Dhananjay Munde was forced to resign. In fact, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that early morning, Dhananjay Munde submitted the resignation and he has accepted that resignation and forwarded it to the governor for further procedures. But the question here is, what took government this long to take Dhananjay Munde's resignation? Because BJP MLA Suresh Dhaj from day one, that is in December when this murder happened, has been questioning and targeting Dhananjay Munde, because the accused in this case are all those people who are closely linked to Dhananjay Munde. One of them, Valmik Karar, is Man Friday of Dhananjay Munde. So everyone was questioning what was the moral right of Dhananjay Munde to stay on his position when this case is ongoing, when the investigation is pending. Although Dhananjay Munde in his tweet while reacting to his resignation said that he was pained to see the photographs, but on the health grounds, he has decided to step down, and also there is an inquiry in this case that is pending. But apart from that, the opposition has started questioning the government, because right now, remember, Maharashtra Assembly session is ongoing, and this has provided an ammunition to the opposition that it is asking the government that what was the government's intent of not taking Dhananjay Munde's resignation earlier in December. Remember, in December, there was a winter session. The entire winter session was about Dhananjay Munde's resignation and this case, but the resignation did not come in at that point. This has come in like a big blow to Mahayuti government that was formed in November with a historic mandate, and within 3 months of the formation of this government, Dhananjay Munde had to resign. Now, does it destabilize the government? Well, the answer is no, because the government has good enough numbers and the government is stable. But this definitely has put the government on back foot, especially because the assembly session is going on and the opposition is raking up this issue of Dhananjay Munde's resignation. It also puts a question on Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who's also the Chief Minister of the state, about what is happening in the state in terms of the increasing crime rate. Also importantly, what will happen to the coalition partners, especially between BJP and NCP, because Dhananjay Munde is considered close to Ajit Pawar and is also a very important and senior leader in NCP who is close to Ajit Pawar. So all this, we'll keep an eye on this developing story, but as of now, Cabinet Minister Dhananjay Munde has submitted his resignation, and this is a big blow to the Mahayuti government in Maharashtra.